and aloha, this is Doña, and Patrick and we gonna explain today the major scale, and it's a little formula to know that Andalusian progression, which we'll teach the next tutorial, what I played at the beginning, like this. And the tiny chord melody. To know that, we have to start from the beginning. So watch this video. We explain the formula and a box shape about the major scale. And next week we talk about how it comes to the minor and major chords and which progression to use for the Andalusian scale. See you. Hey there and happy welcome to the 5-4, the new format for a baritone ukulele with Doña and
I'm Patrick. Hey guys, what's up?
So today we talk about the major scale, its formula and its box shape. To go ahead with the next tutorial topic, the Andalusian chord progression, and the next topic will be the minor scale to do chord melody. But today we start with the basic first. So I tell you the most familiar to all ukulele player, the box shape for the major scale, which is here in this case, we start with the A. It's so why do I do this? Because there exists a formula, which means root. Root is the key in what we are playing, in this case, the A. Then we have a whole tone, and a semitone, 3 times whole tone and a semitone, and we have the whole formula. So it's again tone, 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 semitone, tone, 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 semitone. And we have the classical major scale and its box shape. So, but we have 4 strings and we can use the same thing beginning from the 4th string. So please, Patrick, explain.
Yeah, so, and if you start here, the 4th string, so it doesn't matter if you have a low G, a high G, it's still a G, yeah, or if you play on the baritone or on a normal tenor. So it really doesn't matter. Of course, the tones are different on a baritone. I'm 5 tones higher than the baritone, yeah, but the theory is exactly the same. So I have my tone C here, so it's like here, and yeah, start at the, yeah, right. So, and if you
for the audience, we start at the 4th fret.
Yeah, right. So I'm starting at the 5th.
Yes.
Yeah.
5th fret, because we are 5th key higher.
Right. That makes sense. Yeah. So, and so the theory is the same. So these are the roots. Yeah, this is your root tone. So and just follow the tone. Tone. So we jump over to the 3rd fret.
To the 3rd.
Yeah. So.
And the 4th string.
Yeah. Right.
And to the 4th fret.
Right.
Yeah.
And now you have the semitone. Tone. Tone on the 2nd fret. Tone. And the
key.
Semitone. So this is the same tone. So
the root.
This, yeah, the root again. So and so you showed us the 1st box. So this was the 2nd box. If you want to see the 3rd box, so start here. So this is the end tone, and this is the new beginning of your new box. So you played from C to C. So we did it again from C
A to A in my case.
Yeah, A to A, yeah. You have a baritone, I know. So A to A. So on a tenor you have on the Second box is the C to C. So if you want to start the third.
In my case, the G to she.
G, not to she. So, and the third one is you would start here. And so, and it's the same procedure, yeah? So tone, 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 semi, tone, 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 semi.
Okay, so maybe we do a slow repetition for the people who haven't played like this. So we start with the 5th fret, 4th string with the G. Then we have the 7th.
Yeah, but very important is to use the right order for your fingers. So start with.
Okay, I start with the middle finger.
So let me zoom that a bit. So it's right here. 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 5, 7, 8.
Okay.
Third one is 8, 5, 7, 8.
You mean the first one because you said the third one?
This is the third one. You have to.
You mean the third box shape?
The third box, yeah.
Okay. I was irritated. And you start from the 5th fret.
Yeah. Now I start 8 fret.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
8, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15.
Okay.
So, and what do you have now?
That's great. So you can use the whole fretboard.
Yeah, right.
Okay, and for the people who didn't understand, we have a PDF to download in our Patreon tier. Everything is underneath our video, and practice this until next week. And then we go ahead with the formula, which chords are they, which is minor, which is major, to do the Andalusian progression.
Right. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us.
Welcome to everybody. See you soon. Bye.